Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the system and stopping active sessions. You must have administrator rights, so make sure you can elevate when needed. First, save your work and close any PowerShell windows. If a script is running, press Ctrl+C to interrupt. Next, open Task Manager or run get process name PWSH, PowerShell to C processes, note their PIDs. Once done, terminate processes with stop process ID PID to stop the shells immediately before making system changes. Now you restrict how users can start PowerShell. From an admin prompt, remove shortcuts and context menu entries so accidental launches stop. This reduces casual access. For broader control, use group policy to hide or remove the Windows PowerShell shortcuts and block scripts. Configure user configuration, right arrow administrative templates, right arrow system to prevent access. Also set execution policy, restricted scope local machine to stop script execution. This prevents casual automation. Make sure policies apply to the correct OUs because group policy takes priority over local setting. Finally, remove or block binaries so PowerShell cannot be used. If your OS lets you uninstall PowerShell as an optional feature, remove it through settings right arrow apps right arrow optional features. Otherwise use app locker or software restriction policies to block PWSH. EXE and PowerShell. EXE by path or hash. After applying changes, reboot or run gpupdate/force so policies take effect. If something goes wrong, check Event Viewer and run RSOP. MSC to verify policy application. That single troubleshooting step typically reveals misconfigured scopes or priority issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.